Hello, myself Muhammad Jilani from CSC B section. My Tech Talk topic is about masers. First of all, we have to know what is a maser. Maser is a microwave beam that has been amplified through coherent similitude radiation emission. What this means is that a molecule is in a certain environment where its outer electrons are in a high energy state and is bombarded by a photon, in this case a microwave, which causes the electron to jump down in energy level and release another photon so that both photons have the same phase frequency and direction. This makes the maser ac- across naturally in space also are created in laboratories. History and background. A maser is based on instance 1917 similitude emission principle. Two Soviet scientists Nikola Basson and Alexander came up with the idea in 1952. In 1953, the first ammonium maser was developed by Tonis Gordon and Zinger at Columbia University. Norman Remes created the first laboratory hydrogen maser in 1960. This design is still being used today. Discovery of laser optical maser was followed in December of 1958. Natural matter in space have been discovered since 1965. Everyone has different names of matter, such as a loser. Matter molecule types: atomic beam, hydrogen and ammonium gas, rubidium, solid state, ruby, dual, noble gas, He3 and 129Xe, liquid water. Maser beam types. Originally, Maser emitted only microwaves. Upon the discovery of emission of other wavelengths in different parts of EM spectrum, the definition of a maser became hazy. How maser can be considered as emitting solely microwaves or any type of simulated radiation emulsion, depending on the classification used. Basically, despite what we call it, amplification by similitude emission of radiation can happen for any wavelength in EM spectrum. Some are more common than other. Mean mean can be X-ray, infrared, red radiation, visible, higher laser, etc. Laboratory versus natural. Natural according maser are usually much weaker than laboratories and made masers, so radiation telescopes are used to dictate. The laboratory made maser usually emit more powerful beams because with technology we can create the perfect chronic re- resonant frequency, etc. Natural masses use magnetic field to polarize momentum and create chrominess. Laboratory made hydrogen masses. The high frequency and regularity of hydrogen masser can be use a standard to keep the atomic clock. Accurating HMC work similarly to a laser with two mirrors designed to reflect microwaves. Astrophysically maser. From a astrophysical maser to function in space, It requires a magnetic field for the rheostat frequency to be formed, less effective and energized masses because of inability to make a perfect rheostat cavity can be used to indefined condition in space such as temperature, magnetic field and velocity. OH water methanol one common types. Maser application import atomic clock electronic amplifiers in radio telescopes. Masers are used as a low noise radio frequency amplifier is satellite communication and radio astronomy used as non-lethal weapon VMADS for military purpose. These are the work sites. Thank you.